Hi friends. Today we are going to talk about parts of HTTP request. HTTP request and response have three parts. It's our header, body, and trailer. HTTP headers let the client and the server pass additional information with an HTTP request or response. An HTTP header consists of its case-insensitive name followed by a colon, then by its value. White space before the value is ignored. Look at the HTTP requests parts. Cookie, it is used for send cookie values and name. User agent, it is used for tell about browser and device information. Host, it is domain of requesting URL. Others are X requested with and accept language. Okay, now discuss about response header. Response headers have set cookie, content type, and content length. Request body has JSON, XML, and body parameters. Response body has JSON, XML, HTML, or other content. We will discuss next videos about it.
Guys, open your Python console. Okay, now import request module. Right, now let's create a variable to store URL. Attention PLZ guys. I am going to define a dictionary to store my request header. Cookie name equals cookie value. Fine, now let's send HTTP request with URL and headers. Now request successfully sent. I convert response to JSON file. Look at this guys. Server was got our cookie. Okay guys. I think you enjoyed this video. Subscribe us for more videos. Happy learning.